Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a real game changer for all you Jeep Wrangler Unlimited owners out there. If you're looking for the best tire chains to tackle those tough winter conditions, you're in the right place. We're talking about the SCC Peerless Auto-Trac light truck SUV tire traction chain. I know, that's a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth it. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these tire chains, talk about their features, installation process, and why they're a must-have for your Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what makes these tire chains stand out from the rest. The SCC Peerless Auto-Trac comes equipped with self-tightening ratchets, which means you won't have to deal with constant adjustments. As you drive, these chains automatically tighten and center themselves, providing you with a worry-free and secure grip on snowy or icy roads. One of the biggest selling points of these chains is the ease of installation. You can put them on in minutes without the hassle of jacking up your vehicle. We'll show you just how simple it is in a moment. These tire chains feature a diamond pattern cross chain, which not only provides superior traction but also ensures a smoother ride. No more slipping and sliding in winter conditions. The construction of these chains is top-notch. They are made from manganese alloy steel, making them durable, lightweight, and resistant to wear and tear. Now, let's get down to business and show you how easy it is to install these SCC Peerless Auto-Trac tire chains on your Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. To wrap it up, if you own a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited and want the best tire chains for winter conditions, look no further than the SCC Peerless Auto-Trac. With self-tightening ratchets, easy installation, superior traction, and durable construction, these chains have got you covered. So, don't let winter weather hold you back from your adventures. Grab a set of these SCC Peerless Auto-Trac tire chains and stay in control on the road, no matter how slippery it gets. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, drive safely out there.